Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, Keller Williams Realty Group, coming to you today with another 3Rivers market report for November 13th, 2024. Got about a mix between up and down, but that's a lot better than last year, because last year this week we actually had a lot of down arrows. So, it's always, we're looking at it optimistically. I think everybody's happy the election's over, whether your candidate won or not. I think everybody is satisfied with some certainty, and we think going forward, 2025 is going to be a better year than 2023 and 2024. So there's going to be more homes sold, more homes available. People always got to make moves regardless. Even during the Great Recession, people still had to make moves. So, it depends on when it's right for you. The market's always going to change. I always ask people, if you sat down with somebody and gone over what it takes to buy or sell in the market, and that's what I'm here to help you do, is sit down with you and go over whether it's the right time for you or not. So let's dig into these numbers. Active available listings were up less than 1% week over week, up 20% year over year. New listings came in down 26% week over week, but up 18% year over year. Solds came in down 38% week over week, down 10% year over year. Pendings came in up 7% week over week, flat with last year, exactly the same. Median sale price came in at $255,000 week over week, which is showing appreciation of about 2%, about 5,000. But we're seeing year over year, last 12 months rolling, we're seeing about 7% appreciation on homes. Days on market remained slow, so it wasn't just an anomaly from last week. We're a little bit slower, but it slows up this time of year as we get into the winter season. Came in at 39 average, 16 median, versus last year where it was 19 and 7. Last 12 months homes sold came in at 4,373 homes sold over the last 12 months versus 4,333. So showing just less than 1% up from last year, but we're up, so that's good. And we're looking at, to have a balanced market, we need about 2,186 and a half homes for sale. We have about 662. So we're still in a strong seller's market, showing about 3.3 buyers per listing, just under 2 months inventory. And that is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.